Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from How Logical. In today's video, we will be showing you how to add a virtual background on Zoom. Built within the software, there are various virtual backgrounds that you can use during your Zoom meeting sessions. In order to use these virtual backgrounds, go ahead and open up the Zoom application first. Log into your account if necessary by using your email address and your password. Once you are inside your account, go ahead and start a meeting. Once the meeting has started, go ahead and turn on your camera by clicking on Start Video. Now in order to change your virtual background, go ahead and click on the up arrow next to the Stop Video. Then click Choose Virtual Background. From this window, you will be able to choose any background that you wish that is provided by the application. You can also add your own background image by clicking on the plus button. Then click on Add Image or Video. Go ahead and select your image or video, then click on the Open button. And now you will be able to use your own personal background image within Zoom. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.